Hey everyone, this is Gagan and today's video tutorials will be about how to make an RGB strip light using the ESP32 microcontroller and WLED software. And before I start the video, I would like to let you know that I have made another video which is using a strip light with the HomeKit, Apple HomeKit integration. So there we had a very limited functionals and we could only control the color of lights and we couldn't perform any patterns on the strip light. So LED strip light has various functions here. So these are the things that are required. This is the WS818B strip light and this is the ESP32 microcontroller. These are some jumper wires and this is a cable. So this must be a data cable, it's compulsory. So before starting the video, I would like to tell why we need this particular model itself, or it can be any other model, but it should be a programmable LED light. So in this particular strip, which is a part of the very big LED light, so I'm just showing it for the video purpose. So there is a D in and D out, which means data in and data out. So the data travels in this manner. So let's connect the jumper wires to the cable. I'll be also posting a circuit diagram here. I'll use this as a data cable. So you can see there's a D4 port here. So I'll connect the data cable to the D4 port. And I'll use these two jumper wires to connect it to the 3.3 volt here. And the ground. So you can just verify here. So now let's connect this to the strip light. So now attach the strip light here. So I chose this place because it was near to the power cable. So let me show you the wiring now. So this is the data input of the LED strip here. So the red wire is the positive, the green is the data wire and the white one is the ground wire. These two is the same positive and negative pin, but you can connect it to an external power source. But I will be using the input 3 volts from the ESP32. So the wiring is very simple. So I will connect the 3 volt pin to the positive of the strip light, and I'll connect the ground of the ESP32 to the ground of strip light, and I'll connect the data pin which is connected to the D4 port to the data of the strip light. So additionally we can supply an external 5 volt here so that your LED will get more brighter. So for now I'll be using the 3.3 volts from the board itself. So I'll just leave it hanging there like this. So let me take the ESP32 here and I'll connect it using the micro USB cable, and I'll connect it to my laptop. So this indicates it's turned on. So on the desktop, let's head to this website called install.wled.me. So you will get this interface. Now let's select the version number here, and we have to install this WLED software on the ESP32. The USB serial port from here and click on connect. So it will take few minutes. So after connecting, you will get this message. This is because you have to hold the boot button on the ESP32 and then click on install. So let me do this again. So after installation is complete, click on next and it will ask for the Wi-Fi name and password. So you type your network name and password and hit on connect. After connecting, you will click on visit device